If you're performing any task at all on your laptop and you need support in real time, let me show you how it's done. Open any browser of your choice. In my case, I'll be using the Google Chrome. Type in aixstudio.google.com. On the page, click on Stream Real Time and then click on Share Your Screen. You can share one of the Chrome tabs or you can share any of the windows opened, or you can share the entire screen. In my case, I'll be sharing the whole screen. Now Gemini can see anything you can see. I'm trying to prepare for an IELTS exam and I want to practice question 14 to 18. I've got limited time to answer question 14 to 18. How best do you think I should approach these questions?
Okay, you are preparing for the IELTS exam and want to practice questions 14 to 18 on the screen, and you have limited time. I can help with that. Since these are matching questions, I recommend you quickly skim the paragraphs to understand the main idea of each. Then, try to match the questions to the paragraphs that best align with the main idea you identified. Do you want to start with question 14?
Yes, please.
Okay, question 14 asks for a description of how people misused a bike sharing scheme. Which paragraph do you think contains that information?
Can you just tell me the correct answer?
Sure, the answer to question 14 is actually paragraph F. It explains that within weeks, bikes were being stolen or vandalized or dumped in canals. This describes how people misused the bike sharing scheme.
It can also help you summarize all those long stories our parents drop on family group chat. Summarize this long story on my WhatsApp chat.
Okay, the long story in the WhatsApp chat is about a father teaching his son about value and appreciation. The father uses a Volkswagen Beetle as an example. The son tries to sell it at a dealership and pawn shop but gets low offers. Finally, at a classic car club, he gets a high offer, demonstrating that value is determined by who is looking at it.
It can also help you with more advanced tasks like coding or debugging your code. Is there a better way for me to write the function getDB connection?
Yes, there might be. Looking at your code, it appears you're using f-strings to embed variables directly into your connection string. This can be a security risk if any of those configuration values come from an untrusted source. A safer method is to use a parameterized query or a database abstraction library that handles escaping and quoting of variables for you. Would you like me to elaborate more on that?
For more updates like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.